Good afternoon, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine, good and safe. Okay, so welcome to 7th class IIT online class. Are you doing the work? I hope you are doing the work. I gave some questions also before, exercise questions. Then I explained also that exercise questions, is it? Are you practicing that one? That every question before also I said 2-3 times. Okay, more and more you have to practice. Once you done is not at all enough. Okay, after 2 days you will forget that one. You have to going on 3-4 times. You have to practice that one. Okay, without seeing. So that was a concept one. We discussed about trigonometric ratios, solutions, then exercise also over. Now today we are going to start concept 2. Okay, second concept. So let's start today's topic. First is standard angles. Okay, angle what, children? You know angle. What is angle? Angle, see, this is one side and this is one side. This side, two different sides when meet at a common point. This one side is, okay, A O, and this is another side B O. Both are meeting at point O, then here form an angle, is it? So this is called vertex. O is a vertex. What is the name? Angle AOB. Okay, so this is a point. Okay, here is a point. Here onwards angle start. The total angle around a point is how much? 360 degree. The total angle around a point is 360 degree. So out of these angles for trigonometric ratios values, these angles are considered as standard angles. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Remember, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, okay, 60 degree and 90 degree. These are considered, these 5 angles considered as standard angles. Okay, so why these are considering standard angles? Because trigonometry mostly, okay, revolve around these angles only. Mostly you will use these angles, the value of these angles only. The other angles also you will use, but the value of other angles very easily you can find by using these angles. Okay, other angles value you can find by using these angles. So these angles are known as standard angles. That's why the trigonometric values for these standard angles compulsory you must know, should be there in your mind. Got it? As these 5 angles are the standard angles, the other angles value also you can find by using these angles only. So these are the main standard angles. So these angles values compulsory you must know. So today our topic only is about this table only. Okay, and your work is what? You must learn and write this table. Clear? Then tomorrow we will discuss the further topic. So see, horizontally we will go. First, standard angles are there: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. And vertically when we comes, these are the trigonometric ratios: sine, cosine, tan, cot, sec and cosec. So see here, sine theta value, these value easily you can know if you know the value of sine. Okay, so sine theta is what? Sine 0, 0, sine 30, 1 by 2. Okay, sine 0, then sine 30, 1 by 2, sine 45, 1 by root 2, sine 60, root 3 by 2, sine 90, 1. Okay, so you see the value of sine from 0 to 90 degrees increasing from 0 to 1. Is it or not? 0, then half, then 1 by root 2, then root 3 by 2, then 1. Its value is increasing. The value of sine is increasing from 0 to 1 when we go 0 to 90 degree. Clear? So sine value compulsory you must know. Sine 0 0, sine 30 1 by 2, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2, sine 90 1. Clear? Next cos. Cos means what? Cosine. What is cos? Cos is a short name, you know now already. Sine, cosine, tangent. Okay, so cosine means complementary of sine. Cosine means complementary of sine. So you will say, what is complementary? So the two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degree. Example, 30 degree, 60 degree. 30 plus 60 how much? 90. So 30 and 60 are complementary angles. 45 is complementary of 45 because 45 plus 45 90. Clear? Then 80 and 10 are complementary because 80 plus 10 equal to 90. So the two angle, if the sum is 90 degree, they are known as complementary angles. So sine and cosine both are complementary. Cosine means what? Complementary of sine. Okay. So cos 0. Cos 0 value means what? Cos 0 means 0, cos 0. 0 complement is what? 90 minus 0, 90. Okay, so sine 90 value 1. That's why cos 0 value 1. Are you understanding? Sine and cosine are, see, these are the alternate method to know the value. First of all, you have to know the values. These three values compulsory you must know. Sine, cosine and tangent. Then after these three values, you no need to worry. These are the reciprocal of that, no? Okay. These values reciprocal when you will do, you will get these values. So these values, don't worry. These you can get. If you know this, these three you can get. Main, you must know these three values. Sine, cosine and tangent. Okay, these three you have to remember nicely. Sine value, sine 0 0. Okay, and cosine, cos 0 1. How cos 0 1 came? Because cosine means complementary of sine. So 0 complement 90. So sine 90 1, that's why cos 0 1. Clear? Second one we'll see. Cos 30 how much? 30 complement is 90 minus 30, 60. Means sine 60 how much? Root 3 by 2. So cos 30 root 3 by 2. Clear? Once again, cos 30 value root 3 by 2. How came? 30 complement 60. Is it? 90 minus 30, 60. So 30 complement 60. Clear? So sine 60 how much? Root 3 by 2. So cos 30 root 3 by 2. Next, cos 45 how much? 45 complement is 90 minus 45, 45. So sine 45 how much? 1 by root 2. So cos 45 also 1 by root 2. Next, cos 60 how much? 60 complement 90 minus 60, 30. So sine 30 how much? 1 by 2. So cos 60 1 by 2. Clear? Next, see, cos 90 how much? Cos 90. 90 complement 90. 90 minus 90, 0. So sine 0 0. So cos 90 0. Okay. So don't worry. 2-3 times you will discuss this one. Then easily you can understand. Clear? Next is tan theta. Tan theta, you know, no children, already we did this. Sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. So sin by cos means this value by this value you do. 0 by 1, 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. 2 cancel, 1 by root 3 came. Came now, very easy. See, sin by cos, this by this you do, 10 you will get. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 cancel, 1. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. 2 cancel, root 3 by 1, root 3. 1 by 0. Whenever 0 is there in denominator, that is not defined. So that's why not defined. 10 value we got. Okay. So sine, cosine and tan. Now these are what? These are the reciprocal of that. Cot is reciprocal of tan. Okay. Tan 0. Then cot 1 by 0. 1 by 0 not defined. 10 is 1 by root 3. Then cot 1 by root 3 reciprocal. Root 3 by 1. So root 3. 1 reciprocal 1. Root 3 reciprocal 1 by root 3. Not defined. Is it now? Here we got 1 by 0. 1 by 0 reciprocal 0 by 1. That is 0. See sec value. Sec is a reciprocal of cos. Is it? So 1 reciprocal 1. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2 reciprocal root 2 by 1, that is root 2. 1 by 2 reciprocal 2 by 1, 2. Okay, then 0 reciprocal 0 by 1, 1 by 0. 1 by 0 not defined. Cosec is a reciprocal of sine. Okay, sine reciprocal 0 reciprocal not defined. Is it? 0 by 1 its reciprocal 1 by 0. So 0 came in denominator, not defined. 1 by 2 reciprocal 2 by 1. So 2. 1 by root 2 reciprocal root 2 by 1. Root 2. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal 2 by root 3. 1 reciprocal 1. Clear children? So today's year, it's very short period, but it contains a very big matter. Okay, this table, you have to observe this table. Try to remember these three values: sine, cosine and tangent. Then these three, it's reciprocal. Okay, you can, when you will do reciprocal of this, these values you will get. Clear? So once again we will go standard angles. What are the standard angles? There are 5 standard angles: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. These are the main 5 standard angles. If you know the value of these standard angles, okay, the other angles value you can find by using this. That's why these are the standard angles. You must know the trigonometric values for these standard angles. So horizontally standard angles, vertically trigonometric ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. This is the main order, children. This order one you must write: sin, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. Now you must know the value for sin. Okay, first sin 0, 0, sin 0, 0, sin 30, 1 by 2, sin 45, 1 by root 2, sin 60, root 3 by 2, sin 90, 1. You see the value of sin, it is increasing from 0 to 1 when we go 0 to 90 degree. Cos 0, 1, cos 30, root 3 by 2, cos 45, 1 by root 2, cos 60, 1 by 2, cos 90, 0. You see cos value is decreasing. 1 to 0 it is decreasing. Is it or not? It's decreasing. Value of cos is decreasing 1 to 0 when we go from 0 to 90 degree. Tan theta value, see, tan 0, 0, tan 30, 1 by root 3, tan 45, 1, tan 60, root 3, tan 90 not defined. So you see the value of 10 is also increasing. It's increasing now 0 to infinity when we go from 0 to 90 degree. Next, cot, sec and cosec are reciprocal. Cot and tan are reciprocal of each other. Tan and cot are reciprocal of each other. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Is it? So cot is reciprocal of 0. 0. 0 by 1 is 0. Its reciprocal 1 by 0. So that's a not defined. 1 by root 3 reciprocal root 3 by 1. So that's a root 3. These two are reciprocal. Cos and sec are reciprocal. Sin and cosec are reciprocal. Clear? So observe the table. I'll send the picture also with this. You see that one and write in the notes. With this video, I will send the picture of this table. See the table and write down with the table down some matter also there. Point number 2 and point number 3. In that point number 2, what is mentioned? How the sine, cos and tan value is changing. So first point, sine value is changing, increasing from 0 to 1 when we go 0 to 90 degree. Cos value decreasing from 1 to 0 when we go 0 to 90 degree. And tan value is again increasing from 0 to infinity when we go 0 to 90 degree. That is the second point given. Third point, what is given? We already read trigonometric identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay. Next, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Third, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Clear? So these three are the trigonometric identities. So this is for today. I hope you are reading, taking your education seriously, classes seriously and doing. So thanks for watching.